Most law firms don't have a YouTube problem. They have a conversion problem, because getting views is one thing, but turning those views into actual consultations, that's where most firms get stuck. You can create great videos, answer the right questions, and even start getting traction. But if there's no system behind it, those videos don't turn into clients. Here's what typically happens. A firm posts a few videos, maybe gets some views, maybe even a few likes, but then nothing. No calls, no consultations, no real result. And at that point, most firms assume YouTube just doesn't work. But it's not because YouTube doesn't work, it's because there is no path from the video to becoming a client. And this is where most firms miss it. If you want YouTube to actually generate clients, you need two things. One, a way to get your videos in front of the right people. Two, a system to capture and follow up with those people. That's it. First, you need to make sure your videos are actually being seen by the right audience, because posting videos alone can take time to build traction. This is where ads come in. You can run targeted ads on YouTube, Google, or platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and show your videos to people in your local area, people searching for legal help, or even people who have already visited your website. This isn't about going viral. It's about being visible to the right people at the right time. Next, here's where it gets powerful. Not everyone is ready to contact a lawyer the first time they see your video. But if someone watches your video, visits your website, or click on your content, you can retarget them with additional videos. So instead of seeing you once, they start seeing you everywhere. And that repetition is what builds trust. Most people don't hire the first lawyer they see. They hire the one they see the most. Now, this is where most firms drop the ball. They create content, but they never tell people what to do next. Every video should lead them somewhere. A simple landing page, a consultation request, or a helpful resource, such as a book or PDF. If there is no next step, there's no conversion. Even when someone fills out a form, the process isn't over, because most leads don't convert right away. They're comparing their options. This is where follow-up comes in. Email sequences, text messages, reminders, all designed to keep the conversation going. The firms that win aren't just the ones who get leads. They're the ones who follow up consistently. So when you combine video content, targeted ads, and consistent follow-up, you create a system that doesn't just get views, it gets clients. This is the exact system we're seeing work consistently across multiple law firms right now, especially those using video and AI to scale their content. Now, could you figure all of this out on your own? Sure, but for most firms, this is where things get complicated. Setting up ads, tracking leads, and building follow-up systems. If you're thinking, this makes sense, but I don't want to deal with all of that, that's exactly why we built our 30-day Kickstarter system. We don't just create the videos. We also help set up the ads and follow-up, so you can actually see results from them. There's a link in the description if you want to learn more. Just want to point out that we follow our own advice. Right here at the end of this video is where we're suggesting you do as well. Give your video viewers somewhere to go next. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe, because we're building this entire system step by step, and we'll keep breaking this down in the next video.